who himself sees all, whom no one beholds, who illumines the intellect, but whom they cannot illumine. That is Brahman, that is Atman, that is Sham, that is Ram. That unheard hearer, the unseen seer, the unthought thinker, the unknown knower is Brahman. That unborn, undecaying, undying, immortal, fearless essence is Brahman. That from which this world has come out, that in which this world subsists, that in which this world gets dissolved is Brahman. That in which there is neither east nor west, neither light nor darkness, neither pleasure nor pain, neither hunger nor thirst, neither gain nor loss is Brahman. He who dwells in this eye, who is within this eye, whom the eye does not know, whose body is the eye, who rules the eye from within is thyself, inner ruler, immortal. He is the eye of the eyes, ear of the ears, prana of pranas, mind of minds, light of lights, son of sons, king of kings, shah of shahs, emperor of emperors. That something than gaining which there is no greater gain, than knowing which there is no greater knowledge, than whose bliss there is no greater bliss, that must be known as Brahman or Atman. There is something dearer than wealth, there is something dearer than a son, there is something dearer than a wife, there is something dearer than prana, that something is thyself, inner ruler, immortal, that something is Brahman.